The Eastern Cape Department of Agriculture hosted the OR Tambo District leg of the Women Entrepreneur Awards and the Extension and Advisory Services Awards, celebrating the outstanding contribution of women farmers and extension practitioners who continue to drive agricultural development and food security in the province. Delivering the keynote address, Director for Extension and Advisory Services, Noluvuyo challenged farmers to remain focused on their purpose and embrace their uniqueness. The Women Entrepreneur Awards recognize women who have excelled in agricultural production and agribusiness, while the Extension and Advisory Services Awards honor extension officials who have demonstrated excellence in providing technical support and advisory services to farming communities. OR Tambo became the fourth district to host the Joint Awards Program. The District Awards Program forms part of department's commitment, recognizing excellence, encouraging innovation, promoting women's participation in agriculture, and strengthening extension services that support sustainable agricultural development throughout the Eastern Cape.